Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix ChatGPT something went wrong error. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You might run into a random problem where, for some reason, ChatGPT keeps telling you something went wrong over and over again. This can happen for a couple of reasons. The first thing you should do is double check your internet connection. Make sure the connection you're currently using is stable and working properly, because if it's weak or not functioning, that could easily be the cause of the issue. So, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection first. The second step is to refresh the ChatGPT page or completely close the application and open it again. After reopening it, try entering your prompt once more. This simple step can often fix the issue. If that doesn't help and you're using a phone, try updating the ChatGPT app. Sometimes the problem is caused by an outdated version, so updating it can resolve the issue. If it's still not working, you can visit websites like downdetector.com or isitdownrightnow.com to check if ChatGPT is experiencing downtime. If it is, you'll likely just need to wait until the problem is fixed. Lastly, make sure you're not entering any unusual or crazy prompts that might be causing the error. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix ChatGPT something went wrong error. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.